Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy BDACHT back with another quick video. Today's video, guys, I want to come at you real quick, man, to show you a couple of straight razors I just received from Detroit Grooming Company. Actually, I received them a couple days ago. Probably going to start, as I go forward, I'm going to start using my straight razor a little bit more on my lineup up top. My beard is really starting to get to a length right now where I think I can start implementing the razor lines on my top of my cheek line right now, whether it be me just using the natural line of my beard, just rocking it like that with just a natural line up, or maybe using my Andes T-liners and still using my chalk line so I stay above the chalk line so it's still never really extremely sharp, so I would call that a natural line. But yeah, I received these two straight razors from Detroit Grooming Company and I want to bring them to you guys' attention if you guys are interested in using straight razors to line up the top of your cheek line. I don't really ever use it for back here underneath my neck. I'm scared as hell to put it down underneath my neck. You know what I'm saying? I do want to live to do another video, so I'm not going to use it down below my neck. But yeah, man, I received two straight razors from them the other day. I got a black and gold one right here. I'll take out the package. And I also got a barbershop scale one that has the scales like a barbershop little logo or whatever. I've already loaded the straight razors up in 10 platinum coated blades from Feather. They actually sell these on their website as well. A little blade like this, and you just hold it in the pack and you bend it and you break them. And as you break them, you get two blades. Today I'll be using the BDACHT Premium Shave Cream. I've done a video on this in the past. You guys can actually go find this on Amazon, especially Amazon Prime. You can find this. It's only like $6, man. Let me take these out the package so I can show you guys. This is the black one right here. A pretty cool black and gold. You guys can see the logo right there. Detroit Grooming Company. And it just flips out like this, and you put the blade right in there. You pull all this out. Actually, this comes apart. It's like a three-way. As you see, this comes apart like this. And I also got the barbershop scales one. I really like this one. This is what I took the picture of the other day. I really like this one. So I can get it out this damn thing. And this is the barbershop one right here. You guys can see Detroit Grooming Company. Like I said, I've already loaded them. I will put the prices down below as well, or I might put them somewhere in this video. Let me go ahead and brush it. I'm going to pull out my Cut Buddy pencil. As you guys can see, it's getting smaller and smaller. I need to go invest in me another one. I need to hit Cut Buddy up on that one. If I make the chalk line as thick as I made it right there, sometime when I'm doing a straight razor shave, I'll go into the chalk line just to make sure that it's nice and sharp and crisp. But I don't want to push my beard line down too much. I want to keep it as high as possible, like I told you guys from day one of this beard journey. We are on week 8 right now. I love the fact that Detroit Grooming Company also sells straight razors along with hair supplies. They got pomades. They got, of course, they got the beard butters and the beard oils, beard washes. They got shampoos and conditioners. They got a lot of different stuff, man. So you guys definitely go check them out. I know a lot of you guys are already hip to them. So definitely keep them in mind, man. Like I say, I will put all the links below so you guys can go check them out. They run certain promotions from time to time. I think I might actually have a discount code, and it's BDACHT. I'll put that right across the screen somewhere so you guys can go check it out and get you a little discount. I'm going to use my BDACHT shaving cream. I never put any water or anything like that when I do this. Let's put it right above that line. The thing with the Cut Buddy pencil, it does come in white, but as you can see, the shaving cream is actually clear. As it wipes on, it comes out white out the bottle, but it's actually clear. And move my hat around. I would take it off, but I'm looking like George Jefferson right now to the fullest. My hair looks horrible right now. I really got to cut it, but I'll do all that probably this weekend. But for right now, I'm wearing a hat. And like I've said in previous videos, always pull the skin. However you gotta pull it, make sure you pull it away from where you're gonna be shaving, just so you can stretch it as much as possible. That's the good thing about that Cut Buddy pencil, is that it gives you that guideline, so it takes all the guesswork out of it. So you don't got to worry about just guessing at what you're doing. And like I said, man, just let the blade glide. I don't know how much to stress that. Let the blade glide. Don't push down. Don't dig into your skin. Because believe me, you will know when you dig into your skin, because you're going to be looking like Freddy Krueger out here. Blood everywhere. So you definitely don't want to do that. Now, as you guys can see that quick, right on my nose. And as you guys see, I didn't even touch that part really. That's how sharp these damn blades are. Now I just did that side. I'm going to probably go over it again. Like I said, I'm going to do it dry. Put some more shaving cream on this side. I don't care how many times I do this, how often I do this, I'm going to always find a way to nick myself in the oddest places. I'm not even lining up really by my damn nose. And look at my nose. I'm over here looking like Adrian Bronner in his last fight. Yeah, that boy was talking all that shit, man, and got his ass whooped. I don't care what his name was, he got his ass whooped. All right. Do the same thing on this side. Let me turn this hat. So I'm gonna put a little shave talk on here right now. Got my little brush out. Either I use my fingers just to put it on, or I just brush it on. So I'm just gonna brush it on right now, just to kind of like dry up the surface a little bit, so I can have an easier shave, an easier lineup, I should say. Now this is the detail process right here. So now it's time to detail it. Let me look into this mirror over here so you guys can see. And really this process, man, it's gonna help your lineup stay crisp for a lot longer. Even if you don't get it extremely sharp, you're still knocking off the hairs that would probably grow back faster if you just use your Andes T-liners. As you guys can see, didn't dig in too much at all. Just made it right along the edges. You can see a little line right here, a little straight ass line. Now if I wanted to, I could just be tedious with the shit and just keep on going with it and trying to hit it and hit it and hit it before you know I got a damn chin strap. So you make sure you don't do that. Same thing with the other side. I put my head over to the side like a true, you know what I'm saying, like what's going on, you know what I'm saying, you know how it is, you know, get that like that, you know, you gotta talk like that when you got your hat on sideways. I almost want to dip into it, man, but I'm trying to be cautious. I know how I am when I'm trying to get perfection and all that, but think about the journey, man. Think about how it's gonna look when you just let it grow as high as possible. As you guys can see that side, when it's actually dry, gives you a lot straighter line, a lot more defined. You still not digging into your beard, you know what I'm saying? You just hovering right above it, man, just to keep tapping at it, just to make that line sharper. But at the end of the day, you're getting all those hairs off your face. Maintain that line up for a longer period of time. So that's what you're looking for. Again, that was the shave talk I just used to go over it dry. This is from Penard. You can find this at Sally's Beauty Supply or any beauty supply hood, wherever you at. You can find this. I think it's like, here's the price tag still on here. This was $2.49 from the beauty supply that I went to. But you can go to any one, or you can find it on Amazon. I'll put some Amazon links down below if you guys don't want to go out and find it. Just order it, have it shipped to your crib. You can do that. And this is the BDACHT Premium Shave Cream. This is 6 ounces. You can also find this on Amazon. I'll put the links down below. And this is the straight razor from Detroit Grooming Company. You guys can see the logo on that one. Some beautiful barbershop scales on this one. I love these scales. Really cool touch to that one. Close that up. And I'll probably get to this one soon. This is the black and gold one. You know, really, really cool with the butterfly on it like that. Whatever you call that, butterfly, whatever you want to call it. And these were feather blades. You can also find these at Detroit Grooming Company as well, or Amazon, depending on where you want to go grab them at. I'll put links to everything down below, so you guys can go check that out. So I'm gonna come back with some Corktown beer butter. This is a 4-ounce vanilla, tobacco, and cedar wood. This is from Detroit Grooming Company as well. This stuff smells amazing. Throw some of this in the beard. Nice little thumbnail amount. You don't need that much for a beard my size. This stuff smells amazing, man. It gets all the way down to the skin, very easy. This is a 4-ounce container right here. This is like $24.95, I think, or you can get the 2-ounce, which is $14.95. Still a good bargain. You got a whole lot of product, man, so that's always a good thing. I'm sure you guys have seen the guys that posted our live stream that's coming up on Friday. At 9:00 p.m. Eastern time. I actually will not probably be there. I'm saddened by it. You know, I actually got to work that night, man. They're starting at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I probably won't get off work till about midnight. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to try my hardest, even if I just got to just chime in for a quick second at 9:00, 2 minutes worth. You know, holler at you guys, man. Shout you guys out, whatever. I definitely appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys for checking out the live stream, man. Supporting me, supporting the guys. You know what I'm saying? It's a really good thing that we're doing, man. I love kicking it with them dudes. Some real, real solid, cool dudes, man. So definitely, guys, go check that out, man, at 9 p.m. And like I say, I will try to chime in for a hot second. I will be at work, but I'll dip off for a minute, man. I'll holler at you guys. You guys have showed nothing but love throughout this whole beard journey that I've been on for the last couple years. So as always, I want to thank you guys for all your continued support. Continue to like, comment, and subscribe on the videos. And I'll holler back. Peace.